Hello students, now we shall look at one more method of comparing the various project proposals. Okay, engineering economic problems, like this is the payback comparison method. Very simple method it is. Payback comparison method. This is it is a method used to obtain a rough time estimate. It is rough time estimate that an investment will start to pay for itself. Okay, so it's just a time estimate and a rough estimate. The formula is very simple. Here you can see payback is equal to required investment, that is P, what we invest, divided by annual receipts minus annual disbursements. That is, if you simplify, payback is equal to first cost divided by net annual savings. Suppose I will give an example. Suppose you buy a taxi for 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so initial investment is 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so and annual investment, suppose your receipts are 2 lakh rupees and you are spending 1 lakh rupees disbursement, that is for petrol or for maintenance, driver and all. So investment is 5 lakh rupees divided by annual receipt is 2 lakhs minus 1 lakh. So that is payback is equal to first cost, that is 5 lakhs, divided by net savings is 1 lakh rupees. So the payback period is 5 years. So if you buy a taxi for 5 lakh rupees and you are getting 2 lakh rupees every year annual receipts and 1 lakh is the annual disbursement towards fuel and driver and all, then your payback period is only 5 years. So this is how you compare. This is a rough time estimate. Got it? So the payback comparison method avoids the need to calculate the cost of the capital. Here the time value of money is not considered, and the cost of the capital means cost of the capital means suppose you take a loan. I want some capital, say I want 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so I borrow it from bank. So it will involve cost, say interest, say 10%, 12%. That is not considered here. It recognizes the financial concern for limited resources, guards against unexpected price increases, and it calculates the requirement of a proposal to return its original investment from the savings they generate in a specified period of short duration. So this line is very important. This payback comparison method calculates the requirement of the proposal to return their original investment. So what that 5 lakhs, suppose you take up the taxi car 5 lakhs from the savings. So every year savings is 1 lakh, which they generate over a short period of duration. So investment is 5 lakhs, savings is 1 lakh, so it is 5 years. It is payback period in terms of years. So the lower the payback period, it is better the proposal. Okay, so normally when engineering investments are made, we look for shorter payback periods. Okay. In the above relation, the data used are direct and no salvage values are included. So scrap value of the car we have not included. But it has got some drawbacks. The first drawback is it does not involve the time value of money, because money, whatever 1 lakh rupees you are getting this year is not equivalent to the 1 lakh rupees what you are getting after 5 years. So it ignores the time value of money. But the method is preferred only because it is very simple to calculate. I gave the example of a taxi for 5 lakh rupees, annual receipt is 2 lakh, disbursement is 1 lakh, so net savings is 1 lakh. So payback period is 5 lakhs divided by 1 lakh, that is 5 years. Simple. So it is simple to make calculation. It ignores depreciation and interest rate. And by knowing the payback period, some funds can be allotted again to the desired project. So if I know that after 5 years I will get the money, so I can invest that money for the next project. So this is the simple explanation for payback period. And the payback period method addresses the problem of working capital management by attempting to protect a firm's liquidity position. When a firm is facing a financial crisis and has very limited capability of investing in new projects, an extremely short payback period, 6 months, etc., ensure that only such quick profit projects are preferred and recommended. Now this is very hypothetical. 6 months it doesn't happen. It takes almost years together. In such situations, cash availability may be more important than the total income. A shorter payback period will also guard against the chances of loss due to new technological developments. So there is always a technological obsolescence also. So suppose you buy some like even let us take taxi only. You buy taxi now. So maybe after 5 years you will get electrical taxis only, means and at this same rate. So if you get the payback within 5 years, it is better. So that you can next you can invest in the new technologies. Okay. This was about the payback period method.